Hey, Mabel. Mabel, can we talk about something? Mabelita. Hey, Mabelita. I gotta tell you something, Mabel. Can you wake up? Your sister's coming today. Can you believe that? Hey, Mabel. You're gonna have a sister today. You're gonna have a forever friend, a forever playmate. Aren't you so excited? You are going to have a built-in BFF for the rest of your life. I can tell you're so excited, aren't you? You're just gonna be so happy to have a little crazy pup jumping all over you and playing with you, aren't you? Yep, the excitement's there. I can tell.